Do you want to fix your hair from this to this? Then follow these steps to redeem your bad haircut. Step number 1. Take out your trimmer and find the spot where you messed up and has the least amount of hair left, and draw a brand new initial guideline across that reference point to start over with your fade. This line could be higher or lower depending on how bad your haircut is. Step number 2, clean up below the initial guideline and make sure no hair is left under the initial guideline. Step number 3, take out your hair clipper, no guard, lever all the way open, and start going out for an inch above the initial guideline to create a layer above. Step number 4, put on number 1 guard and the lever stays the same, so all the way open to create the second layer above the first layer. Step number 5, blend in the topmost layer with the hair on the longest length with the 2 guard, lever all the way open. Close up the lever if necessary in this step. Step number 6. Now we're going to blend all the visible lines starting from the bottom. Take off your guard lever all the way closed and flick out that bottom guideline like this. Step number 7. Use your 0.5 guard, or if you don't have 0.5 guard, use no guard, lever all the way open to erase that next up guideline like this. Alright guys, so I just came back from the shower and I think this is the best I could do to fix my own hair. And what do you guys think? And I think the haircut is not that bad and I think it's okay. Compared to before, this is much more presentable, I believe. But what do you guys think about the haircut? Leave a comment down below and let me know. And if you like my content, if you like my videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you very soon. Boos!